Hey friends, GATORMOM here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to be sharing the pieces that I grabbed from DAGNE Dover's Fall Winter 2024 launch. Dive right into today's video because you guys know my love for DAGNE Dover runs deep. I have been reviewing all of the different styles of DAGNE Dover for years now, so I was really excited to see with their Fall Winter 2024 launch that they released 3 new styles and a couple of new super cute accessories. Typically with launches from them, we don't see a lot of new styles. We see new colors, so I was really excited to kind of see some new and fresh things from them. So you'll have to forgive me because I don't know the exact names of each of these style pieces, but I will have them down below with the colors that I'm sharing with you today so that you can easily shop them and find them. I'm gonna go ahead and start with my absolute favorite. This sling bag is going to be like one of my new favorites. Without a doubt, I have no idea what the name of it is, I forget it, but it is this big kind of oversized jumbo fanny pack or sling bag, and it is in the blue color that they just launched. This is the perfect size sling, and I am so excited to pack it up because it's in DAGNE Dover's awesome like neoprene material. So that means it's going to wear really well. It's going to be water resistant. I kind of almost wanted it in another color as well. The red spice color is super cute, but I want to show you the ins and outs of this one because I think this is going to be like a big favorite. Looking at it up close here, you have the big chunky DAGNE Dover zippers that we all love and a little logo there on the front. This front pocket is just one kind of big pocket, if you will. There's no key leash or inside elastic pocket or anything like that. It's just kind of the perfect little pocket to throw your hand sanitizer and your keys or chapstick, things that you know you're gonna be grabbing out pretty quickly. And then when you open up the main opening of this fanny, I have my dust bag inside there that I'll pull out. And you do have some internal organization. You actually have an inside zipper pocket. You have this key leash here that you can attach whatever, a little like a little pouch or your keys or whatever there. And then on the other side, you also have some more pockets. Let me see if I can get a good angle here. You have the mesh pocket right here at the top. And then you also have another pocket that's not mesh. It's just a regular kind of neoprene pocket there. So lots of organization inside here, but look how big and wide this bag opens. I love it. I think it's gonna hold like the perfect amount. Another feature that I love about this one is the big back zipper pocket. I love this to put kind of my wallet or cash or things like that that you want to keep like close to your body, your cell phone, all of those items that you might want to just keep separate from the inside of your bag and keep it a little bit more protected back here. So I love that it has this whole separate compartment back here. The side of this sling bag has a little bit of extra fabric, so it's gonna lay against your body that much better. And then you also have this little D-ring only on this side. You only have one, you don't have one on the other side. And I think it's the perfect spot to put their little sold separate accessory. I love this on the bag. It just kind of adds something special to it, and you can attach whatever you want on the side there. A small little hunter pouch or Mara phone sling pouch, the ones I'm about to show you here in a second. But how cool is that? Like added little bonus. I think that these accessories are so fun. Trying it on quickly for you because I know a lot of you are going to want to see how it looks against the body. I am 5'0", just for size reference, and it is such a comfortable fit. Like I feel like it fits perfectly. There's a lot of room in this strap. So if you are taller, I don't think you're gonna have any problems with this one at all. I barely like loosened it to get it across the front of me. So there's a lot more give kind of still left in it. I love that the D-ring that they added is up here kind of at the top of it. So again, if you wanna add a little accessory like your AirPods or keys or something like that, you kind of have it right here next to you. I love this sling. I can't say it enough. I love it in this color. I think you're gonna be seeing a lot of this from me. All right, moving on to the next style, and it's one that I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit on the fence with. So you guys have to let me know what you think down in the comments if you like this one and kind of what your thoughts are. Initial thoughts, it's a little bit small for me. It is adorable. It is a cute little like bucket bag, and I love the concept of it. I just wish it was like a little bit bigger, because if I'm going to carry a small like DAGNE Dover bag like this, it's probably gonna be the extra small Landon, because that bag is so cute. I bought it many, many times over the years, and I don't see it topping this one. So I think that's kind of my hesitation. So let me know what you think. Again, it is designed super cute. You have a big pocket like back here on the back of it, which is great for like your cell phone. It's big. Let's see if mine will go in there. I have an iPhone 15 Pro Max. It fits perfectly. So it's like a cute little pocket for your cell phone. That is the only external pocket here on this one. Now I went ahead and added, because I'm kind of obsessed with these and I love this concept that they did this release, but I added the sold separately crossbody strap that has all this like funness going on with it. You have this kind of big chunky carabiner, you have all these straps here, and I just think it kind of elevates the look of this bucket bag. It like gives it something extra. Now this bag, it does come with its own crossbody strap. It's just kind of a regular crossbody strap. I'll show you here in a second. But I love this old separately one. I think it just kind of like adds a little extra something to it. On the top here of these two kind of handles for the bag, you do have the little rubber DAGNE Dover snap that will hold them together for you. So if you're wearing it kind of over the crook of your arm, you won't have one falling off. But opening up and looking down at the top of this one, you have one like drawstring closure, and this goes all the way around like the top of the bag. Let me show you what I mean. So the drawstring here is sewn like into the bag, so you don't just have like a bucket sitting inside a bucket. I don't know if that makes any sense, but sometimes with bucket bags, you'll have like a little bag inside of a big bag, but this is sewn in the bag, so you won't have any issues there. The drawstring here opens up really nice and wide, so if you didn't want to close it at all and just tuck it into the bag, you could easily do that. Now that I have it all opened up, you can see it lays completely flat inside the bag there, so if you did not want to mess around with that top drawstring opening, you can just tuck it down like in the inside of the bucket bag there. There is one small zipper inside, but besides that, you don't have any additional internal organization. One thing that I have to point out is this adorable little mesh pouch that comes with this bag. It's, I don't know, maybe about half the size, maybe a little bit bigger than half of the size of their normal little kind of mesh pouches that they add with their, gosh, Dakota backpack, maybe their Landon, with a couple of their different styles. I can't remember right now, but look how cute this is. I mean, it's like the size of my hand, and it's just like a mesh little clip zipper pouch. Love that. Trying this one on for you so you can see it on the body. I would probably carry this one crossbody, but there is enough room in the little grab handles here at the top of it that you can easily kind of just tuck it in the crook of your arm if you wanted to. Again, I'm kind of a sucker for these sold separately straps. They are just so interesting. You can adjust them right here at the top. I have it on the tightest setting, but if you pulled at it here, it does become longer. So there is a little bit of a way to adjust it, but me being super short, I can keep it on the tightest setting and use it to wear this one. Well, I don't know, it actually is a little bit high if I kept it on the tightest setting. But if I loosened it just a little bit, it would probably hang. Yeah, that's actually a little bit better there. So that's kind of what that one looks like here on the body. Again, it's just maybe like a little bit too small for me, but I think it's kind of cute. Last but not least, as far as the bags that are new from DAGNE Dover, and then I'm gonna show you two other new accessories here after this. I have this crossbody, and I'm so glad that I grabbed it in this spice color. My two favorites from this launch are this spice as well as the blue color. I know that I really want a small Landon, and I'm not sure which color I want it in. I'm leaning towards that blue, but this spice is just so fun for like winter. It's like a deep, deep maroon color. It's actually showing a little bright with the sunlight coming in, but it's actually a pretty deep, like maroon color, I guess you could say. But this crossbody is such a great size. I can't wait to pack it up because I'm having a hard time determining like how much will really fit in here. Is my Kindle gonna fit? Like what about a book and my wallet? So a packing video on this one will probably come soon because I think a lot of you will be curious on that one. But this is just a nice, simple crossbody. It is a little bit fatter here on the bottom and it gets a little skinnier at the top there. So you have a lot of room like at the base of this crossbody. It does have some structure to it, especially being that like neoprene material. But at the bottom, you do have like a little bit of a base. So there must be some type of structure added to the bottom there. On the back of it, you only have one pocket, and then it's this big slip pocket that you can easily put like a wallet or a phone in. It's quite large. It's almost the whole size here. And then I, of course, have added in the new sold separately strap. And then I also added in a little extra one there at the top just because I love them. I don't know what it is, but I really, really like them. So I'll try it on for you with that. But I also wanted to obviously show you the inside of this and let you know that the straps are removable on the side. So if you wanted to kind of use this as multi-purpose and use it as a large pouch to pack inside bigger bags, make this kind of like a little bit of a grab and go situation, you could definitely do so. And then of course, wear it as like a shoulder or a crossbody bag. So this one's like multifunctional in my opinion. The zipper completely closes at the top. It's like nice and chunky DAGNE Dover zippers that we all love. It does come with a crossbody strap. It's just kind of like plain red to match it. And it also comes with the adorable little like mini tiny mesh pouch. It's so cute. I mean, it's like the little things in life, right? I don't know. But you have a zipper pocket inside of this bag, and then you also have a big like mesh pocket for organization. So it's simple, it's really functional. I feel like the sides also have a little bit of like extra padding for like structure to the bag as well. It's not just, I don't know, it's like a little bit thicker, if you will. But it opens up really, really wide. So it's gonna be easy to get in and out of when you're wearing it. Trying this bag on for you, I am gonna adjust this red strap just a little bit because I want it to wear a little bit lower on the body. But I think it's cute. I really like it. Again, it's like a simple, plain, just kind of everyday crossbody that this little strap really kind of takes it to the next level. I don't know. But I also like because you can kind of attach accessories up here if you wanted to, or even down here on the bag. I have this little accessory that I'm gonna show you here up close in just a second, but you could easily take this one, kind of add it on to the bottom here of the bag. I don't know. And I feel like these colors really coordinate well together. So you can add a blue pouch onto the red bag. I mean, they all can go together. I just really like the colors that they chose this season. Last but not least, can we take a moment for these? Oh my goodness. Like they've launched the mini Dakota keyring before, the mini Mara, I believe. And then this round they did a small little Jax Fanny one, but for some reason I didn't grab that one. I thought I did, but I didn't. The Mara phone sling, and then my personal favorite that I think I'm gonna need in like every color that they launched it in, the Hunter. Adorable. This here is what the Mara looks like. On the back you do have a little mesh pocket, really big kind of rings over here on the side so you could attach it to any and everything that you would ever want to. These are the perfect size for like hair ties or your AirPods or your keys or whatever. It's a little bit smaller than like a card, so it'd be good for like cash and change, but maybe not a credit card. I don't know if one would fit well in here, but it just is a big open area and it is so freaking cute. I'm gonna be using these a lot. They seem to be super functional. Up next is the Hunter here. Like I said, my personal favorite. I don't know if it's because I just really love the Hunter in general, but you have two zippers here on this one and it opens up nice and wide. Again, perfect for like hair ties, your AirPods and things like that. And then the snaps on the side of the bag here are actually functional. Yeah, they unsnap just like the regular Hunter toiletry bags do. So if you need a little extra room, I don't know, maybe you could fit like a credit card in this one. the sides have functional snaps. Love it. All right, I think that does it for today's video. I sure hope it was helpful for those of you that were curious to see some of the new items from DAGNE Dover's Fall Winter 2024 launch. I will have links to shop everything down below. If you have any questions or want to see any of these bags packed up in more detail, please let me know that as well, because I'm always happy to help. Until next time, I hope you have a great rest of your day. I will see you soon. Bye.